Yo.
Hey, Scott, how's that going?
It's good?
It's okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything blocking it or no?
No.
Oh, that's good. Do you guys use a camera or not really?
We have a camera.
But it's okay, right? There's nothing bad?
No, nothing bad.
Listen to me. Do you need a plastic bag?
Yes, I can take one.
Here. Here you go. There you go.
Thank you.
Can you see? Okay.
Yep.
Okay.